Yo, before this video actually starts, remember, drop comments in the comment section below, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. You already know it helps me with the algorithm, and let me know what other kind of videos y'all want to watch, because I'll make it happen. Bangers on bangers. Yo, what is good in the dealio and the mealio? I got everything right here in the back of the truck already, bright and early in the morning. Had to get my coffee cakes in the morning, you already know. And my coffee, I have it in the truck already. We got everything loaded up already. I was gonna go get some more water because yesterday I had to wash the truck due to those people that when everything fell off the roof, when they were cleaning, all the wood, the water and dust, everything fell on the back, so I had to wash the vehicle. I coated it as well. So right now I currently sit at 70. It has to be all the way up to 90, so I'm about to fill her up. But the vehicle is clean, ready to go. You see that? Look at that shine. Look at that. Look how taken care of she is with water pressure. And yeah, got the vehicle coated so when it rains, it's protected from the sun, water, and dirt and bird debris. So stay tuned. I'll resume the vlog later once I go fill up water right now. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, if you know, you know. So this is where I was at yesterday, right here, up here, and the roof up here. Yeah, so these people, I guess they were working up there. They're working up there, and I was right here just posted up with the truck, right? And I start seeing them construct and work, and they start blowing all the freaking stuff on top of the roof. They start blowing everything with like a blower, and I look up to hear what that noise was. That was like a weird noise, and I look up, and a bunch of dirt, rocks, and like wood fell on top of my eyes. And everything fell on back of the bed of the truck. Like everything just fell in the back right there, and it fell on top of the roof. I got mad because, you know, I take care of the little truck. It's taken care of, as you can see. It's clean, and it was just crazy for me to know that everything just fell on top of the hood and on top of the other hood over in the front, on top of the roof, and it was just crazy. Everything just got messed up, and even stuff fell inside my water tank, and I keep my water tank so clean. So I mean, sucks that water is gonna be like that right there. But enough of me talking. Let's pop her open already and watch. You're gonna see the dirt in there. You see all that little black thing right there in the water? That's not supposed to be there, but it is what it is. So I think I parked two back. Yeah, I parked two front. I gotta go back now. Sadly, I'll put the water in right now, y'all. All right, y'all, so we inserted the money in there right there. As you can tell, the light is red. Now let's go check out that water, see how purified it is. Man, that water be looking good. Well, enough of me talking, y'all. I'm gonna let her fill up, and ours in the vlog now once it's filled. And I topped off the tank. As you can see, she's above 90 gallons. Little error of mine. I kind of topped it off too much, and now there's water leaking on the bed. So I'm gonna have to get rid of all the water right now. Fortunately, it fell. But oh well, it is what it is. It's just water at the end of the day. It fell right here too. But all good. As you can see, the pipe is ceramic coated. See the piping? It's literally water on top of the pipe. Sheesh. So look, y'all, this is a Mercedes I worked on yesterday. As you can see, the wheelbarrows inside, they're still clean. Everything is just ready to go, and the car's still looking A1. So tap in, quality only. Look at the armor on. Car's shiny as hell, better than a regular car wash. Go to a regular car wash, the next day it's already looking ugly and dirty. No offense to the regular car washes. All right, y'all, so up next we got this Dodge Durango. We're gonna start doing the exterior, clean the outside really quick, do the wheelbarrows, you know, tire walls. See that dust on top of the clear coat? Cannot be right there. We gotta get rid of all that, but we're about to touch up all this vehicle and bring it looking back to life. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so vehicle is rinsed out now. It's already washed. Basically just gotta clean up the wheels, tire walls, interior, vacuum, plastics, windows, and yeah, all that good stuff. Stay tuned. I was in the vlog right now. Look at that paint looks now. Sheesh, way better than before, right? All right, y'all, so you guys see it right there live in action. Vehicle is ready to roll. Clean, windows, tires, armor, wheelbarrows, wheels, cleaned out. Let's show you guys the interior. A1, cup holders. You should have seen that before. It was insane, but we got it cleaned out, ready to roll. See the tires, see that paint? Sheesh, like shiny. It does need a paint correction, but other than that, the vehicle's ready to roll. Quality. I should have done it before and after. I'll do that on the next one, but the before was insane. And there she is. Tap in. Yeah, I already know 7-Eleven is my second home. Had to stop by really quick, grab some essentials. If you know, you know. Some essentials, you get it. water essentials, as well as some guayaba splash. These are the best replenishers. My bad about that. 7-Eleven brand. They're like the other wannabe ones, but they're still pretty fire, y'all. About to get to the second client's house for now and start working on her Jeep, so stay tuned. Artisan Vlogger now. So we are currently on our way to the second appointment. Looks like the lanes above and the front are gonna merge left. Oh no, just the exit's closed. So our ETA says we are currently 8 minutes away, 2.3 miles. So Artisan Vlog, once we arrive right there, hopefully the Jeep's not too bad in condition, but we'll see the way the vehicle looks right now and see how long we take. Regularly, roughly like around an hour is what we take on each vehicle on average, but it just depends how the condition of the vehicles are. But stay tuned. Artisan Vlogger now shortly, y'all. All right, y'all, so we just arrived right here. My mistake, it's not a Jeep, it's a Mercedes. You see it right there, the AMG wheels. We're about to bring those back to life right now. And yeah, the car doesn't look too bad in condition, so let's check it out right now and to start getting to work and rinse out the vehicle. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so vehicle is fully rinsed, as you can see right there. Honestly, this vehicle is in pretty great condition. It's not that bad for the way it looks and the way it is. Like, look at the way the water just sits on top of the paint. That's when you know the vehicle's clear coat and the paint job ain't that bad. This car is practically brand new. The wheelbarrows are already clean too. It's not even that dirty, so this car's already A1. We just gotta see the interior. I'm gonna start working on the wheels right now, and then after I start working on the wheels, y'all, I'm gonna start cleaning the interior. I'm after the wheels, my bad. I'm gonna foam it up, do the hand wash, and then start cleaning up, rinsing off the soap as well as the wheels, and then touching the interior, all the plastics, vacuum, and windows, all that good stuff, y'all. Stay tuned. Artisan Vlogger now. All right, y'all, so you guys see the way the soap sits on top of that clear coat of that paint? Brand new. Sheesh. This vehicle should get a clean seal, but the customer just wants a regular basic wash and vacuum from now. Right now, the vehicle is in its pre-soaking stage. Gotta get the gas caps. You guys see that right there? And after we let her soak for a bit, we're about to start brushing her down with our hand wipes, hand brush. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so now the vehicle is brushed with our hand brush or hand wipe, and then just gotta rinse the vehicle down now, start hitting it in the drying process, and then hit the inside as well. Stay tuned. All right, so now I rinsed off everything. I just gotta dry up the vehicle really quick, but I just love how that water sits on top of that paint. That is crazy. Car's practically brand new, man. The vehicle is done, as you can see. Look at that paint, look at that clear coat. Let's check out the interior. Look at those lines on the carpet. Sheesh. Brand new. Tap in. All right, y'all, so I know I promised you guys when I was gonna arrive to the client's house, I was gonna pour water on top of the paint just to see if the ceramic coating still puts in work. Let's see. Sheesh, look at that. That water just lit off. Look how that water just sits on top of the paint. Y'all need to get ceramic coated so when it rains, water just slides right off. You got a protection of barrier on your clear coat and on your paint. All right, y'all, so we about to touch up the vehicle. As you can see outside, you cannot have this dirt on top of your vehicle's paint. We're about to just do a basic wash on the exterior, and that's about it. And yeah, for this one, we're not gonna touch the inside of it. We're just gonna rinse it, throw on the soap, and wash it, and then dry it up. Stay tuned. Check out the way that water just sits on top of that paint. Well, this is a wrap, I think, but that is crazy. Let's go ahead and touch up the wheels for now, right now. Sheesh. But they tend to break your windows, your windshields, and all that good stuff. So I recommend getting the detail. It's worth every penny if you care about your investment a lot, as well as coating your vehicle, because coating it, this is what it does. Check it out. So let's get some water, some H2O, and put it on top of the paint of the vehicle. Check it out. Look how the water just sits beautiful on top. See that? It's literally coated. Like, it could rain and nothing will happen. Look at that. You see how that just slid right off? Look at that. That is insane, y'all. Tap in. Let's get you looking right. All right, y'all, so the vehicle is all ready to roll. Look at those wheelbarrows. and the armor on the tires and the wheels are all clean, and this car is show ready. Let's take it to a car meet. What y'all think? Tap in. I go to the Inland Empire. I go around everywhere, just depending on the location. I will go up in fuel prices because of travel. Other than that though, vehicle's quality, you see it right there. Just an exterior basic wash, but it's amazing what a basic detail, basic wash can do to a vehicle. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section below. Currently here at the fill-up station. You already know, if you know, you know. Look at that purified water, y'all. That thing is just literally crystal blue. Like clean ass water, y'all. We're filling up for tomorrow, just in case anyone else contacts me. We'll get them looking right. You already know, tap in, quality, y'all. All right, y'all, so the vehicle is all ready to roll. Look at those wheelbarrows, and the armor on the tires and the wheels are all clean, and this car is show ready. Let's take it to a car meet. What y'all think? Tap in. I go to the Inland Empire. I go around everywhere, just depending on the location. I will go up in fuel prices because of travel. Other than that though, vehicle's quality, you see it right there. Just an exterior basic wash, but it's amazing what a basic detail, basic wash can do to a vehicle. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section below. Remember, y'all, this is the end of today's vlog. There's gonna keep on being vlogs. Whenever I can vlog, I'm gonna make it happen. Y'all already know, never give up, keep moving forward, keep trying for success. And before this video ends, remember, y'all, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and comment in the comment section below. That really helps me a lot with the algorithm. And just know there's gonna be more bangers to watch, and let me know what y'all want to watch, whatever you guys want to see, and we'll make it happen. Never give up, keep moving forward, and remember why you started. Peace out, y'all.